What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 5 fitted hats of the week. Yes, it's Sunday again. Yes, I had to sit down and take a look what I will choose for my top 5. And this week, I tell you this every week, it's super tough, blah, 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 to select those 5 hats. But this week, to be honest, it was really tough. But before we start, I would like to thank you guys very much for your crazy support and for always tuning in on this videos and on our live stream on Monday. If you have not subscribed to the channel so far, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. I would highly appreciate that. It's totally free for you and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. So without further ado, this was a tough job. Let me show off my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And I would like to start with the Iris Bird because this thing came out so good. This is my 5th place this week and you can see the chrome dome, black and white. And look at this crazy Iris metallic Orioles hat. Oh my God. This was definitely, it could, you know, you never know what you will get when you do this the first time, but I don't know what you think, but this thing turned out crazy and it looks so gorgeous. Even though when you turn this around, you can see all those details. And the Iris Bird is my 5th place this week. And I absolutely like how it came out. So my 4th place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA is this beautiful Broad Street Bullies from the Philadelphia Flyers in this special color flip color, and the front is super nice. You got this script with the metallic blue. This is super shiny, and that side patch, oh my God, that 50th anniversary side patch from the Philadelphia Flyers, it came out beautiful. And then you got this NHL shield on the back with the metallic blue, beautiful hat, and this hat screams Philly to me because you have everything on one hat. Gray UV, black guts. My 4th place this week. My 3rd place this week is a super nice combo, and you guys know I absolutely like to make these sneaky two-tones with 2 different materials, and that's the reason why I did this super nice ripstop button visor on the black dome. My 3rd what's going on today? My 3rd place this week from the Pittsburgh Pirates, upside down, and this came out amazing. Look at this rich gold. Then you got the pirate. We got this beautiful shiny sparkling outlines, and it's the first time that we are using the PNC Park side patch, and I love that side patch. It looks really good. Let me know in the comments. Do you also like the PNC Park side patch? Did I already tell you that I like that side patch? It's a beautiful side patch, PNC Park on the side, a large one. And on the back, we bleed black and gold. Beautiful hat. My 3rd place this week, gray UV, black guts. My 3rd place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. My 2nd place, and oh my God, I'm so excited that NFL is back. And we started with our first NFL drop, and this is the Bills Mafia. Beautiful logo in the front, black, silver, metallic red. And then you got this beautiful large side patch, silver anniversary from the Buffalo Bills with this helmet on here, beautiful. And then you also have a super shiny NFL shield on the back. Bills Mafia, gray UV, black guts. My 2nd place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And now my 1st place this week, and I'm very sorry for the delay we had on Monday, especially on the US store. The servers definitely were smoking, right? And this is my 1st place this week from both stores. The Aztec Skull Warrior 2.0. It came out absolutely amazing. Beautiful hat. Red and black, and then on the back you got the Mexico M. Beautiful. Look at these metallics, how sparkling this hat is. beautiful side patch, and even more beautiful front logo. Everything on this hat is fantastic. Kelly green UV, all these colors go so well together. The embroidery is absolutely fantastic. So, well, this is my first place this week from both stores. Let me know in the comments below, do you agree with my selection or do you have a different opinion? And let me know, if you have a different opinion, what were your top 5 hats of the week. So, I'm pretty sure next week is going to be crazy too. So I hope you tune in tomorrow. Cap Talk episode 202. We are live again and I can't wait to hang out with you guys. Monday is always the best. So I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I will enjoy it, that's for sure. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow or latest next week on my next top 5 fitted hats of the week. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm out. Bye.